Hello? Welcome, folks. On today's informative session, let's deep dive into varnish contamination, which is a silent saboteur in industrial operations, leading to costly unplanned maintenance and reduced system efficiency. But what if you could eliminate it at its root? Hi, I am Mark, a senior plant engineer with 15+ years of experience in the oil and filtration field, and today we'll walk you through what's really happening inside your system and how we can finally stop varnish at its root. Understanding the root causes of varnish formation is crucial. It forms through oxidation and thermal degradation, silently adhering to internal surfaces, causing overheating and accelerating system wear. Well, the key contributors include thermal stress, water contamination, and metal contamination. These factors create a perfect storm for varnish formation. Once formed, varnish acts as a thermal insulator, causing localized overheating. This accelerates oxidation, further degrades oil quality, and compromises system performance. Delta-Xero offers a groundbreaking solution with its capillary filtration technology. Unlike conventional filters, it uses capillary formed in a dynamic way to efficiently remove varnish and contaminants, ensuring cleaner systems. How it works. Capillary flow filtration attracts polar contaminants through surface energy interactions. This innovative approach allows for highly efficient particulate and varnish removal, which is truly next generation. Delta-Xero doesn't stop at capillary technology. The system delivers several additional engineering benefits that improve reliability, efficiency, and sustainability across industrial operations. Delta-Xero's filtration media automatically adjusts to pressure and temperature changes, ensuring stable performance even in demanding environments. And here's the best part. As the media loads with contaminants, its efficiency actually increases. This means extended service intervals and reduced downtime. Delta-Xero captures ultrafine particles, the ones you normally never catch, lowers ISO cleanliness codes, removes water, and eliminates oxidation accelerants before they become varnish. Across hydraulic presses, offshore compressors, and industrial forges, Delta-Xero has restored condemned oil, removed heavy contamination, and dramatically reduced varnish levels. Delta-Xero uses 100% recycled media, features a simple single cartridge design, and operates reliably in harsh environments like mining, marine, and heavy industry. Well, that's everything about varnish and what it is, why it forms, and how Delta-Xero removes it at the source. Follow and subscribe for more videos on filters, oil life, and industrial reliability. See you in the next one.